Enjoy the view of this 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. Here's a smooth, well-equipped Nautilus, the midsize two-row luxury crossover that prioritizes passenger comfort and driving pleasure. You'll love its punchy performance and thoughtful use of the latest technology to help you stay connected, focused, and confident so you can make the most of every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, cooled front seat, power liftgate. Get into this stylish Nautilus and indulge yourself in the luxury you deserve. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.